Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if your Linkvertise link is stuck on loading screen or it is not loading, so this video is for you. So the solution is here. That for the first solution that you can try is try a different browser. So if you are on Google Chrome browser, then you can switch to Mozilla Firefox and try to load your Linkvertise link. Second solution is clear browser cache or cookies. So you can do is you can simply click on this three dot button at the top right corner, and from here you can simply click on settings and search for cookies, and you can find the browsing data from here, and you can delete your browsing data. You can select last 7 days and simply click on delete data, and it can refresh your browser. Then disable browser extension or add-ons. Sometimes some ad blocker or any type of extension related to web pages or browsers are make conflict with our Linkvertise functionality. So you should disable that extension and check if it's working or not. Then check network connectivity. Ensure that you have a stable and reasonable first internet connection. If you are experiencing networking issue, try resetting your router or contact your internet service provider of assistance. Or if you are on mobile phone, so try to switch between data and then Wi-Fi. Try different device or networks. That already I have said that you can try it on your mobile device and try to change between mobile data or Wi-Fi network. Then disable ad blockers. So if you have multiple ad blockers, so you have to disable it for once to load the Linkvertise. Then check DNS settings. So for that you have to simply do is simply click on this Windows icon and search for network, and here it is. Now view network connection, simply click on it, and from here make sure that you have selected your current connection. Simply double click on it, then click on properties, and from here you can find internet protocol. Simply click on it for once and simply click on properties, and from here you can see that let me show you. Here use the following DNS server. You have to select this, and in preferred DNS server you have to add 8888, and alternate DNS server is 8844. This is actually Google's most stable DNS that you can use to avoid this type of issues. The adjust firewall or security settings. So you have security software or firewall in place. Review the settings to ensure that Linkvertise is not being blocked. Adjust the settings if necessary to allow access to Linkvertise links. Connect Linkvertise or you can contact to the Linkvertise support. If none of the above solutions work, consider reaching out to Linkvertise's customer support for assistance. They may be able to provide specific guidance or address any server related issues. So that's pretty much all solutions that you can follow or implement to solve this issue. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.